Tension escalated in Nongshum area of Imphal East after security forces deployed tear gas shells and smoke bombs to disperse a large group of protesters, leaving several individuals injured. The unrest was triggered by a joint mass combing operation conducted by the CRPF Cobra unit and Manipur police commandos, during which several village volunteers were allegedly arrested. Meanwhile, Erupts Imphal strongly condemned the actions of the security forces. Speaking to media persons, Imphal Women's Wing convener Hekrujam Malim Konbi Laima alleged that state and central forces are targeting local village volunteers who were forced to defend their own communities due to lack of government protection. She accused security agencies of adopting an unequal approach, claiming that authorities are cracking down on the Meitei volunteers while allowing Kuki militants to operate freely. Malim Kombi also expressed skepticism over the guarding of the village by security forces, citing the recent incident in Kanto Sabal, where 6 Meitei houses were set ablaze despite the heavy presence of central security forces.
Ako'y mako'y ngasi tawriba mong si ako'y nasungay yabang amjaroy ako'y mako'y ngasi tawriba mapam si tawriba si ngarang na hangkata ako'y nakanto sabal da kanto hariba mapam da tawriba dugumna ako'y hariba kunggang ngasi tasu mako'y ngaaga mako'y ngai haibagi kanoda ako'y hariba kunggang sisu mako'y ngai karisu tawroy haidana ako'y buti maga tamaga mako'y may thadoribra haiba wakamse ako'y tasiyang na ako'y tamoy da ningnang ba haiba do poksa